So everything that I'm putting in this bowl will be linked down below in the description box. So the whole entire recipe is there. Yes, I did use avocado oil with this recipe because I had nothing else on me, but it kind of gave it like a spooky green color. But the batter, when I baked it, didn't come out green, which I was kind of disappointed because I wanted it to be like Frankenstein donuts. But it doesn't affect the taste if you use avocado oil, so I do want to put that out there. And then the final step was just to put them in the donut pan. I purchased my donut pan from Michael's. I had like a coupon, so I only paid like $4 for it. So always check your coupons when you are going there. And this entire recipe made exactly 6 donuts. I let mine bake for a good 20 to 25 minutes. I have an electric stove, so it did take a little bit longer than I expected, but just keep an eye on them, you guys. These little suckers can be hard to make because you don't want them to burn, because then that just ruins the whole recipe. Again, you guys see me do this a million times. I made my cream for the donuts. I've made this cream plenty of times. It's practice and error, you guys. It takes a while to get the right consistency, but you will get there. I have a recipe down below for that. And here's the thing that I did wrong. I'm gonna be honest. I decided to glaze every donut and then decorate them. You want to glaze one at a time because the glaze ends up drying super fast, so the sprinkles fall off of them. So try to take your time when it comes to decorating and putting the glaze on, because then you won't be able to. When it comes to decorating, I decided to make another batch and add my family in the bunch with it, and they enjoyed making their own creations, including the kids. But these donuts do not taste like your regular Dunkin' Donuts donuts. They taste like cake because they are not fried, so they're semi-healthier. Semi. But anyways, you guys, I hope you have a happy Halloween, and if you do make these, send me your creations through Instagram. I would love to see them, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.